Discover the culinary revolution with the best air fryer, your ultimate kitchen companion for guilt-free indulgence. Elevate your cooking experience and savor the perfect blend of taste and health as you whip up delicious, crispy delights with minimal oil. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best air fryers you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Experience culinary bliss with the Gourmia GF536, crowned the number 5 best air fryer. Gourmia, the number 1 best-selling air fryer brand in the USA in 2022, will become your culinary companion, promising trust and value for your home essentials. This multifaceted marvel is not just an air fryer, it's a symphony of culinary possibilities. From French fries to seafood, bacon to vegetables, it transforms your kitchen into a haven of flavors. The 12 one-touch digital presets ensure that every dish is a masterpiece. Indulge guilt-free in the healthiest way to fry, as the fat removal technology slashes up to 90% of fat. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe accessories, epitomizing fast cooking and even faster cleaning. With a 1-year comprehensive international warranty, 5 quarts capacity, the Gourmia GF536 isn't just a purchase, it's a promise of peace of mind for your culinary adventures. Elevate your kitchen experience for just $59 and savor the joy of hassle-free, flavorful cooking. Indulge your culinary desires with the Newwave Brio, the avant-garde air fryer ranked as the number 4 best in the game. It's a kitchen magician with an 8-quart stainless steel charm. Immerse yourself in on-the-fly culinary creativity. Tweak temperatures effortlessly without restarting, while the intuitive digital controls respond in the blink of an eye. Fit in 3 pounds of fries, wings, or a 5-pound chicken with ease, all monitored by an integrated digital temperature probe, ensuring your meals are perfection personified. The Brio is a guilt-free culinary symphony, using superheated air for crispy delights minus the mess and calories. Cleanup is a breeze with dishwasher-safe components. With 100 pre-programmed menu presets and an additional 50 memory slots, this air fryer is a versatile virtuoso, perfect for the fast-paced rhythm of busy households. Let the linear thermal, linear T, technology set precise temperatures from 50 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in 5F increments, turning your kitchen into a stage for culinary excellence. At $129, the Newwave Brio is an investment in culinary innovation and gastronomic satisfaction. Meet the Chefman 2-in-1 Max XL, a culinary marvel ranked as the number 3 best air fryer. This appliance redefines convenience with its dual basket, featuring a clever divider for simultaneous cooking, ensuring your family dinner is served promptly. The promise of healthier meals is fulfilled through its ability to fry with minimal oil, coupled with 4 one-touch presets and adjustable temperature control for culinary precision. Crafted with a sleek stainless steel finish, this air fryer adds a touch of sophistication to your countertop while fitting seamlessly into compact spaces. Cleanup becomes a breeze with its quick wipe-down exterior and dishwasher-safe non-stick basket, sparing you from post-cooking hassles. More than an appliance, it's a kitchen ally, approved with advanced safety technology and backed by a reassuring 1-year warranty. The price is $70. Transform your kitchen experience with the Instant Pot 4-in-1, the enchanting number 2 best air fryer. This culinary marvel boasts 4-in-1 functionality, letting you air fry, bake, roast, and reheat with seamless ease. The secret lies in its revolutionary Evan Crisp technology, a dance of airflow from top to bottom ensuring a divine golden finish, leaving your taste buds in awe. Immerse yourself in the magic of one-touch smart programs, guiding you to culinary perfection with wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and more. Fast preheating eliminates the wait, transforming frozen delights into golden masterpieces within minutes. Cleanup becomes a breeze with the non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. A kitchen must-have, this 2-quart wonder caters perfectly to 1 to 2 servings, making it ideal for appetizers, side dishes, and quick, delectable meals. Unleash your inner chef for only $59 and savor the symphony of flavors this Instant Pot orchestrates. Say hello to the Gourmia GF538, the undisputed champion of air fryers. This culinary marvel boasts an 8-quart capacity, transcending the ordinary to redefine your kitchen experience. Crafted from stainless steel, aluminum, and glass, it's not just an appliance, it's a symphony of innovation and style. Picture this: a multifaceted kitchen companion. It dances through culinary tasks with 12 one-touch digital presets, from French fries to dehydrating delights. The 30% larger cooking capacity ensures you only cook once, making it a time-saving maestro. This air fryer is not just about convenience, it's a commitment to health. With fat removal technology discarding up to 90% of guilt, each meal is a celebration of flavor without compromise. And when the feast concludes, rejoice in the swift embrace of the dishwasher, transforming cleanup into a breeze. As the holidays approach, consider this air fryer a gift to those who cherish both health and culinary finesse. Priced at $99. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.